how to change the city for the weather forecast widget on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, make sure you already have the weather forecast widget. If you don't have a widget already, you can add it. I will show you how to do that at the end of the video. Here, let's assume you already have the widget. So touch and hold on the widget, and then tap on settings. In the widget settings, tap on change at the top here, and then you can add in the current location, or you can tap on the search button to search for the city. So here, tap on the search button, or you can zoom out on the map like this, and then you can pinpoint your location. So let's say we go to Norway. Okay, so go to Norway here, and then just tap on it, and then tap on add. Next, we go down the list and select the city which is added, and then you can choose the background color, and then tap on saved. And that's it. So in Norway at the moment, it is 5 degrees. Quite cold, but it is sunny, and that's it. So here, today's temperatures will be higher than yesterday. And I can tap on that to get a clear picture. So the highest will be 13 degrees, and the lowest will be around 5. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.